Welcome back to Vapid Trades, and I'm back with another video. So today, guys, I have an important MicroStrategy ticker symbol MSTR update. But before I get into this, if you can smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. And also, guys, if you haven't joined already, do join my Discord. Link is in the description below. As you can see here, guys, we have a range of results right here from longs to shorts. Of course, we've been clearing it these past few weeks. Of course, I've also been telling people to go risk off on the market. So if anyone took that advice, they'll be chilling right now. I told everyone to go and touch some grass. Of course, Skep has still been killing it with his trades. So yeah, pretty nice work there. So if you haven't joined already, do make sure to get involved. I also cover some of my stock buys as well here with entries and exits, such as Celsius Holdings, which I previously called, which pulled off a nice 30% move overnight. So don't miss out on that. So guys, let's get straight into the meat of this video and talk about MicroStrategy ticker symbol MSTR. So if you did watch my recent Bitcoin video, it is pretty self-explanatory what I am looking for in Bitcoin, and this aligns well with MicroStrategy as well. So I did mention to you guys that we have this bull flag here. We've got this kind of support here, and essentially I've also mentioned the strong level here at around $220 for MicroStrategy. So the idea was, guys, if you did hold here and bounce, the idea was we'll need to flip $350 next in order to see higher for MicroStrategy. So that was the idea here, to basically own this flip of $350 if you are looking to basically play the upside here. However, we didn't get that. As you can see, we had this rejection here around 340. So that wasn't great. So what happened from then, as you can see, MicroStrategy took a bit of a tumble, a quite heavy tumble actually, and now we're sitting on the support here, which I have mentioned already, at around $280. However, with the way Bitcoin is looking right now, and the way MicroStrategy is looking post market, it is looking like we might do something like this tomorrow. And of course, this support now will become resistance. And should it become resistance, we might see that 220 level sooner rather than later. So the idea is, guys, is to get in as low as possible. I did mention that it is okay to dollar cost average at this 280 level should we get a bounce, but as you can see, it is sliced right through. So this is not a viable bounce, or this is not a viable level to buy actually without any kind of bounce. So should I go to the weekly now? You can see now why I like this level so much, because we've got the weekly support here, which has held many times in the past from MicroStrategy. 60 had $46. It held, we ran all the way to $200 from that, and it held again at $124, and we ran all the way to $538 from there. And now, should it hold at around 220 to 230, I do believe we can make another run all the way to around $700, which is my upper target for MicroStrategy. So above 500, I do believe 700 should come quick chart wise. So this is something that I am looking to play should we get to this 200 level here, and then we've got the 900 level there, and then we've got 1,000 plus there as well. So that's essentially my plan for MicroStrategy. So essentially, guys, this is what I expect in the next few weeks, and this is significant because, as you can see, a Bitcoin price action is not too hot as well. So, guys, as you can see, we have the Bitcoin chart on the left, and we have the MicroStrategy chart on the right. So, of course, MicroStrategy has taken a heavy tumble versus Bitcoin, but you can kind of see the similarities in the chart in terms of the impulse move here, coming back down into the weekly support, then taking off again. And I do feel like the same thing can happen here. You've got the impulse here into the weekly zone again, and then up again. So that's something that we can see for both charts. You can see both of them on the weekly held this level as well. So hopefully we can see some identical plays between these two charts, which will make it easier to trade on both sides. So make it easier to trade Bitcoin and MicroStrategy together in terms of upside. And I do feel like this should play out very nicely. Should be bottom here at 80k for Bitcoin. So that is something that I'm really looking forward to in the next few weeks. So guys, do keep an eye out for this. As I mentioned, 224 MicroStrategy. Of course, we've got the deeper and then reclaim. As you've seen here in Bitcoin, you can see there's been weekly wicks. You can see MicroStrategy here as well. It kind of went below, then closed above, retested, and then shot up. So let's look out for this in the next coming weeks. And again, guys, anything you do want to ask, just leave in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions, or you can ask me on Discord as well. And I'll catch you all on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.